Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So the Skypass Visa Signature Card from US Bank is a highly specialized financial tool built specifically for people who frequently fly Korean Air or travel routes across Asia. Unlike general travel cards that try to appeal to every type of traveler, this one is designed around a narrow audience: people who regularly fly Korean Air, travel between North America and Asia, or want a direct way to earn Korean Air Skypass miles. Whether this card is worth it really depends on how closely your travel habits match that. For a $99 annual fee, it offers a focused set of benefits aimed at two real pain points: expensive long-haul flights and uncomfortable layovers. New cardholders get a welcome offer of 40,000 bonus miles after spending $4,000 in the first 90 days, a strong head start on redeeming future Korean Air flights. That's followed by an ongoing bonus of 2,000 miles every year at renewal, so the value doesn't stop after the first year. The earning structure is simple: 2x miles on Korean Air tickets, hotels, and dining, including takeout and delivery, and 1x miles on everything else. That 2x rate on dining is modest compared to some premium travel cards offering 3x or more. But the real value of this card isn't in everyday spending, it's in the airline-specific perks. The standout benefit is a 5% discount on Korean Air tickets for the cardholder and a companion, once per year. On a $2,000 long-haul ticket to Asia, that discount alone can exceed the $99 annual fee, essentially making the card pay for itself with a single booking. You also get 2 Korean Air lounge vouchers annually, a genuinely rare perk for a card at this price point, giving you comfortable seating, food, drinks, and a quieter space during long international layovers. The card also charges no foreign transaction fees, so you avoid the typical 3% surcharge many basic cards add when you're spending abroad on hotels, restaurants, or shopping. You get standard Visa signature protections too, like secondary auto rental collision damage coverage and emergency travel assistance. One more thoughtful touch: 24/7 bilingual customer service in English and Korean, genuinely useful for Korean-speaking households or anyone who prefers managing their finances in Korean. Now, the real limitations. Skypass miles aren't flexible, unlike points that transfer across multiple airlines or hotel programs. These are tied closely to Korean Air and its SkyTeam partners. If your travel plans shift to a different airline, those miles could end up sitting unused. This is really the central question with any airline-specific card. Does it match how you actually travel? On top of that, award seat availability on popular Korean Air routes can get tight during peak seasons, so you'll want to be strategic and flexible with your booking dates to get real value out of your miles. Financially, this card is strictly for people who pay their balance in full. The purchase APR ranges from 18.24% to 28.24% variable, with no introductory 0% period on purchases or balance transfers. Cash advances are even steeper, from 20.99% to 30.24% variable. There's also no savings component here. This card is purely a spending and travel rewards tool, not something to build interest on. Carry a balance at these rates, and the value of your flight discount or lounge access disappears fast under accumulating interest. So who is this actually for? Korean Air loyalists, or anyone who wants a reliable way to earn Skypass miles directly, which matters more now since Korean Air is no longer a transfer partner for many major US credit card programs. If you're a dedicated Korean Air traveler, having this direct earning method avoids relying on outside transfer programs entirely, and the annual discount plus lounge access directly tackles the two biggest frustrations of international travel: expensive tickets and exhausting airports. Who should skip it? General travelers who want the freedom to fly any airline, or who prioritize cash back over airline-specific perks. For that group, a more flexible travel card will likely serve you better. So here's the bottom line. For a $99 annual fee, the Skypass Visa Signature Card delivers real value through its 5% ticket discount, lounge vouchers, and strong welcome offered genuinely competitive against much pricier premium travel cards, as long as your travel habits align with Korean Air. The risks are the inflexible mileage system and interest rates reaching up to 28.24%. So this only works well for someone with a clear travel strategy who pays their balance on time. Outside that specific use case, a more flexible travel card is probably the smarter choice. That's everything you need to know about the Skypass Visa Signature Card. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more.